and his team. I mean, they've been outstanding today.
With the bat, and I must say with the ball too, very, very useful for darting around. Of course, sometimes, apart from that seam position, which is good, Rohan, it's also, each ball is different. And some balls just move a lot more in the air and some don't. This one obviously darting around all over the place, making it very difficult. Already have a big mountain to climb, the Kerala strikers, and now of course it's becoming impossibly steep. Their asking rate, if you wish to know, is 19.1. Talk about a near impossible task. But one hopes that Rajiv Pillai can show us some good batting here. The owners Mohan Lal and Priyadarshan will be pretty displeased with what's going on here, but I hope they have the good sense to realize this is only their first season, and a little bit of practice, a little bit of more batting ability might take them to a much better place in the next edition. I don't mean to count them out though, because there's still some mathematical possibility.
You're being optimistic, Charu. That's all I can say. You're being optimistic.
I said that before you could. I thought you were about to pick up the microphone and say, well, there is a mathematical possibility, but it's very difficult. I'm glad people have turned up once again here at Vizag. It's a wonderful ground, and a lot of credit should go to MSK Prasad, who is the Chief Cricket Officer of the Andhra Cricket Association. Sudhir.
Vivek Gopan doing the right thing, trying to get Rajiv Pillai on strike. If there's anyone who can change this game in favour of the Kerala strikers, it's Rajiv Pillai, and you've got to bat. He's got to bat as long as possible.
That zero backlift game of his is very tough. I don't know how he manages it. Up in the sky, just wide of long off, and Rajiv is patrolling that area. So, being the best batsman, best fielder, best everything of the league, he's not likely to make a mistake. GRB,
lovely covering, boys.
Pleased.
Throw.
Run out chance, third umpire. The on-field umpire, as he's wanted to go to the third umpire. But I think he's in comfortably.
Yeah, well, he was in a very good position to see that Rajiv Pillai was in by a mile, and that's what's likely to be proved as we get to the replays. There we go, miles in. Oh, well, come on. I mean, there are times that you need to go up, and there are times you really shouldn't be going up. Bhavna's happy. Not too much opportunity for the Kerala strikers and their band ambassadors to be happy about the situation. So come on now, Rajiv. Show us the game here. Let's have the ball sailing over the boundary line. You need to take a bit of a backlift though.
He sliced it. I think this is going to be out. Yes, it is. He's not going to drop those. Rajiv Pillai departs, and I fear with that, so do the hopes of the Kerala strikers. It's not been his most fluent innings, but I guess there was a lot of pressure on him, a lot of pressure. Rajiv Pillai tried his best, didn't really connect well, and he's gone for 27. Got Kirtiraj of the bowling of Sudhir. It's 60 for 5 after 10.4. Around to continue. I think that's going down leg. I think that's going down leg. The right decision. And that's how Rajiv Pillai departed. Nicely caught. Didn't get the kind of connection and timing and power required to clear the field. End of the over. It's 60 for 5 after 11.